In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a game pass that gives you an item in Roblox Studio. So, before I start this video, I want to say make sure you watch the whole thing the whole way through and don't skip any steps, because if you do, you might miss something out and then you'll get to the end of the video and it won't work, and then you'll have to go through the video and see what you've done wrong. So it'll just be a lot faster for you and easier if you just watch the whole thing the whole way through. Now, that being said, I'm going to get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go into your Roblox game here and make sure that you've gone to game settings and you've published it. You press game settings and you'll publish it to Roblox online or whatever so that you can access it. Now what you want to do after that is you want to go onto your browser and you want to go onto your account. So once you've gone into your account, you'll be able to see your creations. You can then click on here, click on the game, then click view on Roblox. And then from here, you want to go into these three dots here and go to configure this experience. Once we've gone to there, you want to go to associated items and then passes. From here, you want to click create a pass. For here, you want to put in an image. You can put any image you want to. I'd recommend making one on Canva. So you'd go onto Canva. I think the resolution, I'm not too sure, it's probably 1080 by 1080. So we'll try that. 1080 by 1080, create new design, and then in here what you'd want to do is you would want to use the elements on here. Let's say we want this, for example. We could put this in here. I'm going to drag this to make it fit, but like this. Or actually we can do it inside here. So we can go like that, we could download it and we could have that. Now we want to change the name, put the name as anything you want to, so I'm going to put this as pass. You can really do what you want to for this. And description, you can leave that blank if you'd like to. You can hit create pass now and you've got your pass here like that. So next what you want to do is you want to come into your game pass here, go to sales, click item for sale like that, and you want to sell it for something. Now put how much you want to sell it for, so you can say like 100 for example. Now they will take 30%, so you get 70%, and you can hit save changes like this. Next what we want to do is go over here, go to go back actually, go to passes, go to three dots here and copy asset ID just like that. The next step would be to go into your world and go over to this one, server script service, press add a script here, and the script code you want to put in here will look, first of all, actually I'm going to paste my code in here for my ID, and then you want to put the code in here like this. Nice. I'm going to copy that, and then we can change the Game Pass ID and put it into here like this. And then tool, you can put it in here. I think mine was called pass. Let me just double check that. Yes, it's called pass like that. So then that is ready to go just like that. So next is adding the item they actually get. In here, I'm going to go to models and I'm going to give them, I'm going to put sword here and I'm going to give them a sword. So I'm going to give them, this is default one here. Now it's going to say, do you want to, it's going to say include scripts. You press OK. Do you want to put it in starter pack? Click no, because that's what everyone gets, so it doesn't want to be in the starter pack. So now we have the sword added in like this. So next what we want to do is we want to find the sword over here in the Explorer. It's called classic sword, this one, and we want to go down to parent and we want to click on this, and for the place we want the parent to be, we want to select on the script that we just created here, script, and boom, you can see that has now disappeared. Good. So now what we want to do, that we've got this script done, is we want to go and find the name of this tool. So this is called classic sword. We want to copy this here. We want to go into our script that we just created. Oh, that's the wrong script. We want to go into the script and we want to change the tool name into here. So paste it in there exactly how it is, just like that. And that should be good. Okay, from here what we can do is we can just close these scripts, go into our game, and boom. Okay. Oh, as you can see at the bottom of the screen right now, I actually do have the sword. And this is because I do have the Game Pass. So you can see I do have that. I'm getting destroyed. Now, if I was to, oh my gosh, if I was to not have the Game Pass, like I was a new player or something like that, then I would have to, I'd have to buy the Game Pass to get this. But it should be working from now on, and that's how it works. Now, you can set up a GUI for this so that people get the Game Pass once they pay for it. I can do another video about that if you'd like to. And also, if you like anything you see right now in this game, right now, so you can see I've got, I'm being chased, if you like that. Or if you want to make cool animations in your game, like this, or this dab. I'm trying to make the dab view. If you like that dab, or the wave, or dab, and you want to make those into your game, then check out my channel because I have a ton of tutorials on other stuff too. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.